mobile home anchors, actually a 6-set for a mobile home or like a shed. Say I have like this little like compact shed here. And one thing, we don't get crazy storms here, but we get enough wind storms that might make this thing move. So what I decided to do is get a set of these things, and that way I can stake it down on each corner. Now there's a 6-pack, so what I'm going to do, I'm only going to use 4. I'm going to put 1 at each corner and then screw them down into the ground and then bolt them to the side of the shed. And maybe that'll keep them from, maybe it'll keep the shed from turning over. How about that? Let's just go ahead. Let me open this up, lay out what we got, and let's see what comes in this package. So you get the anchors themselves, and you can see how they work. Basically like an auger style anchor, and you have this kind of hex top on them, and it looks like they give you a bit so you can use like a hammer drill of some sort. So that bit will go down on there. If you don't have a bit, it looks like it's a 14mm kind of socket bit. Then you also get, it looks like a 10mm, which is these screws right here. So my plan of attack is on these, I'm going to screw them down into the ground, and then you get this bracket that slides over, goes across, and you can put 2 screws in the side of a building. And I have 4 of them here. They give you the lag bolts and the, it looks like some sort of big washer, but they also give you a hook, like a circle hook that screws into the top. So you can run that and run like a metal strap around it. But let me go ahead, set this up, go around to each corner, set one up, and then we'll get to drilling. Okay, so here we are. You can see I'm about maybe 6 inches off the ground. What I like about these things are, I've already tested it out, so I know this works. So you get the bit. See how the bit just lines up right over top of it? So I've got me a pretty stout Ryobi drill here. Go right here, turn that on, and then what I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to run it straight down through here, and then this bracket will go over it, and I think that's what this washer's for right here. Get as close to that corner as possible and just go straight down into it. Now you want to hold on to this thing pretty tight. Wow, that's going in way better than I thought it would, everybody. That actually went pretty good. Now that I have this in here, what I'm going to do is take my bracket, put it down like that, and just screw the bracket in like that right there, and it should be good to go. So now I'm going to change over to the 10mm bit. That ain't coming out of there, everybody. Okay, now the second part that I'm going to do is I'm going to put the washer on there like that, and then I'm going to go ahead and screw this little hook down right here as a secondary top measure. Now see, what it would have to do is pull this, and then this will not go over the hook. So all of that will be there, and that seems to be a good solid system. Everybody, I think this is a great option for anyone that has a shed, mobile home, or anything like that where they just need to get a good anchor system where it just won't come out at all. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the 6-piece mobile home shed anchors. See you on the next video.